Uy, in fairness, kinilig ako ginalingan mo Kasalanan ko ba? I'm seeing too much of myself. Target locked. Uy, wala namang lote dyan, no? Paano naging bago si Camille Villar? Exciting pala tong mag-react tayo kasi hindi naman pala lahat terrible. I'm Camille Villar. So, balita ko po, medyo ayaw niyong pinag-iingat ko po kayo. So, ngayong hapon po, magre-react tayo sa iba't ibang mga memes, tweets, and posts about me. Okay, here we go. Ayan, sa yaman ni Camille Villar, buong tiyangge, kaya niyang bilhin. Well, this was fun. Masaya naman to Siguro hindi naman yung buong tiyangge. Hindi talaga. Pero masaya to. Nag-enjoy kami dito ni Tony. Pajamas for my kids. Favorite pajamas ng mga anak ko. We tried. Pero terrible talaga ako terrible talaga ako sa pagtawad. Alam ni Tony yan. So sabi ko, ikaw na lang. Kasi kung pwedeng ibigay mo na lang lahat. So, terrible ako. Pero I tried. Tapos, ang dami naming nabili for like, I think 2,000 o 2,000 pesos. Parang ako, nakabili ako, yung anak ko, yung dalawang anak ko, ang dami naming nabili for them and even my husband. So, ang saya-saya. Buti nga parang, at saka ang dami-dami palang items dun sa Taytay. Gusto ko ngang bumalik kasi ang dami-daming mabibili. So, masaya. Bilhin nyo na PBA. Grabe naman yun ang tema, kayang bilhin lahat. Hindi naman, hindi talaga, promise. Promise talaga. Yes, super duper fan. Kahit anong basketball, kahit UAAP, PBA, NBA. Kasi yung dalawang kuya ko, favorite nila yung basketball. So, nung lumalaki ako, parang palagi yun yung bonding namin. And then even yung asawa ko, si Erwin, yun din ang bonding namin. Nanonood kami ng mga basketball games hanggang ngayon. So, hopefully, we can get our son into it. Pero parang not so much pa yata siya. Basta sa NBA, Lakers. Kasi, I mean, ever since I was young, Laker fans na kami. Kaya, heartbroken kami lahat nung namatay si Kobe. In fact, I was able to see him sa Staples Center the last time that he went to Staples Center. And I think he died a day after my birthday. Pero even before Kobe was in the Lakers, Laker fan na kami and until now. Sa UAAP, syempre Ateneo kasi Ateneo ako. Tapos pagkatapos UP kasi Fighting Maroon naman ang papa ko. And mama ko. Sa PBA, wala akong team right now Hindi ko na-follow ngayon Yung mga kilala ko, hindi na kilala nung mga office mates ko. Sila Alvin Patrimonio. Sabi ko, legend yun, legend. Mga larawan at video na walang saysay. Target locked. Alam mo, nakita ko na to dati. Okay lang. Natawa naman ako. Wala lang naman, kasalanan ko ba? Ang ganda kasi nung mayon, nung nag-land ako, nakita ko siya. Nag-selfie ako, nagpa-picture ako. Bumili ng ice cream na may kasamang lote. Uy, wala namang lote dyan, no? Ice cream talaga yan. And sobrang sarap na ice cream yan, Kasi favorite ko yung strawberries. Tapos, ang fresh pala doon. So, that was awesome. Ito yung nung nanalo si Fiang sa PBB. So, ito na yung mga comments. Thanks po sa house and lot for Fiang. Wow, Christine, that's so sweet. And of course, kay Brielle, thank you so much. Kay Nyen, thank you rin. Kinikilig din si Miss Camille kay Fiang. Oo, tama. Mabilis akong makilig. So, very good. Thank you so much po, Ma'am Camille. Thank you. Wow, ang sweet naman nilang lahat. They're so thankful. Walang anuman. She's so talented and I enjoyed it so much. Sobrang saya nito and sobrang talented niya. Pero lahat naman sila. So, sana all. I wish I were that talented too when I was watching that. She's so energetic. Pag napapanood mo siya, yung talagang may presence siya and she was the life of the party. And then, when I saw her, parang bagets na bagets. But I loved her energy and her dynamism. And her talent, of course. oh my God, parang una wala akong talent, so walang mangyayari sa akin, di ba? Parang hindi naman ako makakanta, hindi naman ako makakasayaw. Pero, I mean, never say never, di ba? Malay mo. Grabe na, nag-out of town kami, mas madali ka pang makakita ng poster ni Camille Villar kesa sa signal ng talaga? Okay. Oh, basta sana naman, Avril the Queen, ay nag-ingat ka. Actually, I'm seeing too much of myself. Uy, in fairness, kinilig ako ginalingan mo Masaya naman ako na nakauwi ka na nag-iingat at ginalingan mo ang pag-uwi. Okay, everywhere I go, I see this face. Is that from a song? Hindi ko alam Pero, or si Spider-Man. Tingnan mo, kailangan ko panoorin yung Spider-Man. Pero meron ako napanood yung kanta yung Everywhere, Everywhere I go, every smile I see. Tawang-tawa ako nung napanood ko yun. No, not at all. I may be one of the Philippines' worst singers. And I swear, pag narinig niyo akong kumanta, marirealize niyo yan, mag-a-agree kayo. When I tried to sing once, sabi ni Willie sa akin, sabi ko, kumanta ka, wag kang tumula. Hindi ko talaga talent, hindi ko talaga. Kaya, pag nakita ko yan sila Fiang, yung mga super talented na Filipinos, I'm like, ako yung parang mga 5% ng Pinoy na talagang walang singing talent. But I try, in the shower, by myself. Yung mga mahal ko naman sa buhay, mahal naman nila ako kahit na ganun kasama yung boses ko. So, okay na. I miss being as thin as I was when I was hosting on TV. I mean, it was a great experience and sometimes when I watch the show, talagang nakakamiss kasi parang araw-araw kami magkasama Monday to Saturday for a whole year. So, parang pamilya mo na sila. Sometimes when I watch Willie's show pa rin, tapos parang it's all very familiar to me. And I'm so blessed because the friends that I made there are still my friends until now. But I think, hindi naman talaga I didn't see myself in showbiz, but it was a great experience. So, I think okay na yun. Tsaka, there's no way I can host again without losing maybe 30 more pounds. Kahit ginusto ko. Paano makaalis dito, please? Oo nga, good question. Nasa na tong place na to na sa Wakanda ba to? Dapat mas updated ako sa mga PlayStation games. Maybe if I ask my son Tristan, alam niya kung saan to. Yung nagpapaganda ka sa bebe mo, tapos di ka niya... Talk to my mom. Let's ask her na lang kung ano yung reaction niya dito. Well, this is really nice. I would like to show this to my mom.
Congratulations sa lahat po ng kasali. Good luck po at sana manatili po kayong inspired at motivated.
Taray, angelic voice. Uy, thank you. Love you too, Bioderm. Tama ba? Sana pag narinig ko, angelic talaga yung voice ko. Okay. Yung silent supporters ka lang. Well, thank you for the silent support. Any support, whether silent or loud, means so much to me. So, thank you, Fanny. Baby face ni Congresswoman. Alam mo, everyone always asks me, ilang taong ka na ba? Feeling nila parang neneng-nenen ako. Pero, 40 years old na ako. Matanda na ako. 2 na anak ko. But thank you. I think the older you are, it's a good thing, right? It's a compliment. So, thank you. Kahit baby face po ako, matanda na po ako, promise. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Naguhugas lang ako ng muka. Minsan nagmo-moisturizer, pero hindi pa nga everyday. I'm the worst. Mas vain pa yung husband ko kesa sa akin. But I guess in a good way it worked. Parang kung pwedeng wag ka na nga mag-makeup, hindi na nga ako nagme-makeup kasi mas komportable ako ng gano'n. Hindi rin ako marunong mag-makeup at all. At all. Ang alam ko lang parang mag-lip balm, mascara, yun lang. Kaya pag wala nang mag-makeup sa akin, wala na. No to Camille Villar, sana but she vowed to fight for mental health, kaya okay, pwede tayaan. real health problem. Alam mo, Emery, totoo talaga to. And hindi lang sa mga kabataan, kung hindi pati na rin sa matanda. So, thank you for giving me the chance. And sana nga, sama-sama natin parang ma-address yung mga mental health issues. Kasi syempre, mom din ako, so yung anak ko minsan nabubuli sa school, and then marami din akong kilala na medyo nagkaka-anxiety hanggang sa pagtanda. So, dapat ready tayo, tsaka dapat ma-acknowledge na totoong issue ito and something that we should definitely talk about and not be scared to talk about, and something we should be open about. Yung mental health kasi, baka people are sometimes scared to talk about it. So first, awareness is good, and dapat maging komportable tayo to say that we need help. And when we need help, it should be available. Kasi alam niyo po, yung mental health, akala ko sa mga kabataan lang yon nung una. But then as I go around, it's for all ages pala. So we should really do something about it, 'di ba? Kasi pag hindi po naalagaan ng ating mental health, it results in other things. Siyempre, we want to avoid that. I think together, along with the other people who believe in this issue, we can really create a solution. Or at least, right away, we can let other people know that it's okay to talk about it. And then, when it becomes something that people are really talking about, then we can find ways to prevent it, ways to address it, and ways to help our friends and family who have it. You know, for me, it's a process. I think the first thing you should do in terms of taking care of yourself is acknowledging that you have to take care of yourself. Because with everything that we do, sa lahat ng ginagawa natin, like I'm a mom, nagtatrabaho ako, tapos I also look after my parents kasi syempre tumatanda na sila, yung kapatid ko, and then asawa rin ako, so I have my husband. So, lahat sila iniisip ko, tapos so many times nakakalimutan ko na yung sarili ko. I think the first thing we have to do is remind ourselves na dapat alagaan din natin ang sarili natin, because you can be a better person to other people, you can help more people if you yourself are whole. Naniniwala talaga ako dyan. As for the mental well-being, I think it's a journey for me because I'm also trying to figure it out. Like, I'm also learning how to deal with it, but it really helps to be able to talk about it, diba? And to be able to tell my friends, ganyan na. Minsan malungkot ka, minsan stressed ka na, minsan may anxiety ka. And for example, for my son, I always tell him, you can tell me everything ha, don't be scared don't keep it to yourself, kasi minsan laking tulong yung nalalabas mo yung nararamdaman mo, yung mga pinagdadaanan mo. And I think ang pinaka-importante talaga is a support system. And I think as Filipinos, we're so lucky because we have very strong family bonds and friendships, and talagang marami tayong nasasandalan pag may pinagdadaanan tayo. Kailangan lang ma-express natin yung sarili natin. Paano naging bago si Camille Villar? Kasi hindi naman ako luma. Siyempre, marami tayong new way of doing things, or bago kasi we weren't there before. So, siyempre, because I'm a millennial, may mga bagong perspectives tayo. So, even if our family name has been there for a long time, siyempre, hindi ka naman eksakto dun sa mga parents mo, or ano, siyempre, you have your own way of doing things and you're your own person. I am so lucky to be the only girl and the bunso in my family. Siyempre, they're all protective of you. Pero ito na nga, 40 na ako, tapos may 2 anak na ako, pero hanggang ngayon ako pa rin yung baby ng family. So I feel so lucky kasi yung 2 kuya ko hanggang ngayon, andyan sila para sa akin, and then of course my father. Kahit na I have a baby, Cara, who's 2 years old, he always tells Tristan, your mom is my baby. Your mom is my baby girl. You know, I think when I was an only girl, that may have been hard when I was growing up because they were strict. But no, my parents, they weren't that strict, and they always listened to me naman. They were not unreasonable. And my brothers were not strict at all. In fact, you know, they were the people that I would go out with. Wala, hindi naman stricto. So, I feel very, very, very lucky to be the only girl and the youngest girl because I learned so much from them. I often say nga, you know, my dad and my mom and my 2 brothers, they have their own strength and they have their own talent. And I'm so blessed kasi kahit papano, through the years, medyo natutulungan nila ako. So, ang dami kong napipick up from them, and I think it has made me a better person. And Ayan. This is my dad's post. Happy Monday. My God, 11 years ago na to. Grabe. With my sons, Paolo, Mark, and Camille. Yeah. I'm so happy to know na medyo ganun pa rin naman itsura naming lahat ngayon kahit na 11 years ago pa to. Tapos, yeah. Super saya ko. And I guess, I'm so grateful to my lucky stars to have two amazing older brothers, a dad and a mom like I have. So, I really feel blessed. So anytime I see a family picture, I really feel blessed. I'm always very, very happy when I see anything that my dad posts or when I see my dad. So this is a great way to end this vlog because it will end on a very happy note. So always grateful to see my dad and love him and my brothers very, very much. No, natatawa ako. I mean, sana lang wag talagang, syempre ayoko namang magalit sa akin yung mga tao, di ba? Pero memes are so much fun. I love looking at memes. I love laughing at memes. I love watching things. So, and very early on in my life, like, you know, my dad, he ran for president and everything. So, sanay na po kami na binabati ko. So, alam ko na po na don't let it get to you. So, okay lang. It's all in good fun. Hindi ko na pinipersonal masyado. Basta alam mo naman na hindi totoo, di ba? So, thank you so much to all the memes and posts about me. Okay naman sila. But I would like to thank all the people who said such nice and positive things. It really means a lot to me. And doon naman sa mga memes, basta wag lang kayong sobrang magalit sa akin. Okay lang. It's all in good fun. And wag niyong kakalimutan, ingat sa biyahe. They must be so annoyed at me.